We want to turn your focus to Nokia shares. They are falling off a cliff. You have first quarter numbers coming in very disappointing. We are joined right now by the CFO, Timo Ihamuotila. He is joining us right now from Helsinki. We're so glad to have you with us, sir, but we have to say, obviously, your shareholders are very disappointed probably with the results for the first quarter. When did you know you were going to have to revise your profit margins going forward?
Well, clearly we give out the numbers when we know them, i.e. now. And of course the market reaction is for the market to judge, and this is clearly not pleasant for us. But on the other hand, we had also positive on the quarter. We grew top line, we grew operating profit, and we grew EPS year on year. We produced 1 billion euros of positive cash flow, and also we actually had the best quarter ever regarding smartphone shipments. For the company, we shipped 21.5 million units and actually gained, got to a position of 41% market share. So,
Timo, I want to talk to that growth on the top line in just a minute, but I want to get back to this first quarter miss, the fact that you've had to reduce your profit margin guidance and your profit guidance for the year. I mean, why did you do that? Where are you feeling the most pressure?
Well, if you look at this, so we basically came out at 12.1 now during the quarter, and we guided between 9 and 12, and basically it's only natural that this will also have an effect on the full year guidance. And if we look at this, then clearly there has been some pricing pressure on the market, and we also said that we come now against our internal target slightly later with our new Symbian smartphone lineup.
All right, so let's talk to that top line growth. As you said, that's a bright spot in an otherwise tough quarter for the company. I'm assuming you're continuing to see some growth in the emerging markets. I mean, Nokia still is the biggest phone maker in the world. Are you just seeing more volume with some of the cheaper models?
No, we are actually first seeing a positive macro environment, particularly in the developing world, where, as you said, we are the #1 player. And we are also really taking smartphones into the developing world. We are taking them to all price points and all categories of the market. And if you look at the portfolio, what we delivered to the emerging markets, it's actually very much on the smartphone side also comprising of touch products and QWERTY products. So this is not only on the low end.
So when are you going to know if it's profitable to bring smartphones into emerging markets?
It is profitable now.
It is currently profitable. All right, let's talk a little bit about this heat up in this space.
That's very clear.
That is to say, Apple has the iPhone, Google has the Android. I mean, you have promised investors a great smartphone by the end of this year. There are rumors that that may not happen, that you're having problems with the operating system. Can you speak to that?
Yeah, we are working really hard on the new lineup of the Symbian smartphones, and as we said today, we will deliver the first product mid Q3, and this will significantly improve the Nokia smartphone user experience. It will make the experience more fun, more intuitive, and also faster. And we are further adding value to that offer with our services, with the, for example, with the free navigation offer we have on the marketplace. So we are confident that we have a good product portfolio coming up to compete also on that higher end of the market.
So investors and people in the market, they're going to see this phone, have it in their hands if they want it before year's end?
That's correct.
Okay, we thank you for your time. Timo Ihamuotila joining us there. He is the CFO of Nokia.